This is what you play for. Moments like this, you can feel the energy in this building, and we are underway. And the goaltender comes up with a piece of it to keep it out of the net. Here they come on the attack down the right side. Shot! And he gets just enough of it to keep it out for the back of the net.
That's a really good save. I think the goalie's probably surprised he was dead center and open to shoot that puck.
And he makes the save on that play.
Yeah, he's right in front of the puck, too, so there's really nowhere that puck's going to squeak through.
Takes the shot. Big-time stop. Moves it quickly over to Svechnikov. The Hurricanes cross the blue line and are on the attack. Fires it on net. Denies him.
Now, this is a good save here, James. I mean, he's got to read the play to get into position to make this stop. A difficult one from the slot.
Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. Still scoreless in this one. Barzal's won the draw in his own end. Now let's see if they can clear it. Picks up the puck in his own end. Here's a chance. There's the whistle as the puck is frozen up. The Hurricanes win it in the defensive zone. And it's a quick pass to Pacioretty. Carolina's got it in their own zone. Pacioretty's got the puck behind the net. Gains the zone from the right. Here's a shot. Makes the save. Drives to the crease. Denies him again.
He shows off his focus and his athleticism, making two unbelievable back-to-back stops.
And that banks off a stick. Receives the pass. Through the middle of the ice, they enter the attacking zone. Oh, love the defensive stick work there to poke that one away. Here's a short pass to Bailey. Oh, spectacular stop there. Oh, he had the right idea, but couldn't make that play with the pass. New York's got it in their own zone. And they'll keep on playing as icing is waved off. Carolina's got the puck along the wall. And now they look to make something happen from the neutral zone. The Islanders have it against the wall. Carolina's got control of the puck. And they clear that puck. Taken by Bellows. Denies him with the pass. Big pass speed. There's a collision with some authority. And the puck leaves the zone. Carolina's got it along the wall. Maintains possession. And he's got that one. Race for the puck here. Icing waved off on the play. And there it is. Stopped by Anderson. Picked up along the boards by Pacioretty. And now it's grabbed by Aho. Denies him. He got all of it. The Islanders scoop it up along the boards. Finds it quickly to Engvall. Looking to make something happen along the boards. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. And a quick save on that one.
Oh, he had to get up tight to the puck. In close, he takes away any room.
Driving right to the front. Big save.
But he came out and challenged him. Good save.
The Hurricanes gain possession along the wall. Looking for space inside the D zone. And he takes the dish. Quick pass to Kotkaniemi. And that's deflected off someone in front. Oh, and he gets a piece of the puck to deny them there.
Tough enough to make the save unless you can see it. He's got to fight his way and find the puck.
Here's a shot, and he makes the save. Here in the corner, he grabs the puck. New York's got it on the line. Oh, and he just got enough of that one to keep it out. Feeds it down low. Can't make it work. Sends a pass over. Into the offensive end now. Shot, and there's the save. Quick feed to Engvall. Dumps the puck in. The Hurricanes gain control of the puck against the wall. Through the neutral zone now, picking up steam. And not much on that one. Here in the late goings of the period, still no score in this one. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Into the offensive zone down the right wing. Shot! Stopped by the goaltender, getting a piece of that one. Moves it to Stanley. And he slides it quickly to Pesci. Dished on over to Stahl. And he takes the feed. Shot! Close save, and the play continues. Halleck's got the puck in his own zone. Now a quick pass to Dobson. The transition game now into full effect as they move across the blue line. Anderson's going to cover up the puck here for a whistle.
He makes a safe play and kills the play before any other damage can be done.
Officials are set. Players seem ready. We're ready to get this thing back underway. The Hurricanes win the draw. Takes the pass. Cuts to the front. The Islanders gain possession in their own end. Carolina's got a hold of it along the wall. Here's a chance. Denies them in close. Carolina's won the draw and they'll go to work. He scores! That's how you do it. Leadership to a T. The captain capitalizes. Carolina's first goal of the game is a timely one here, Ray.
We talked this morning about whether these two teams would play a defensive or offensive game. The thought was that they'd score a lot. Hasn't been that case so far.
Takes the feed. Stopped by the goaltender. He got a little piece of that one. The Islanders will play it from the defensive zone. Puts it on net. Big save just as time runs out. There's the horn to conclude period number 1, and Ray Ferraro's already off to grab his intermission hot dog. We'll be back in just a moment. They're ready to drop the puck here on period number 2. James Cybulski, Ray Ferraro bringing you all the action. The second stanza is underway as the puck is dropped. Let's go. Well, this one underway. Ray, give us an update on what your assessment is to this point.
The Islanders are going to wear themselves out if they don't get control of the puck pretty soon. They've had no possession time virtually at all, and they're trailing in this game.
Lots of time left in this period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. The Islanders will go to work here in the offensive zone. And that goes off someone in front and doesn't reach the net. Carolina's through center and now in the offensive end. Here's the chance. Fires the wrist shot. Scooped up along the wall by Teravainen. Cutting to the front of the net. Quick shot. And that's blocked in traffic. The Islanders will play it in their own end. New York's got the puck against the half wall. Gives them nothing in front.
Aggressive stop out on top of the crease to make the save on a dangerous chance.
Takes a shot. And the puck dies with the trapper save. Both teams readying here for the face-off. Nietzsche has won the draw, and they'll go on the attack. Shot from the point. Oh, much respect as he blocks that one. Puck grabbed by Potvin. Slides it across to Trottier. The Islanders played along the boards. And puts it just wide.
The goalie was late reacting. If that puck hits the net, I think it's in.
The Islanders win the draw. Oh, that's gotta hurt. What a play. Feeds the puck to Jokinen. Nice pass. And now he moves it quickly to Natchez. The Islanders have a hold of it in the defensive zone. Hammers him.
James, I hear that over here. The crunch of the pads. That's a big hit.
Still misplaying?
No.
Steps across the blue line. Moves it quickly over to Natchez. And there's the save. Nearing the midway mark of the period. Carolina's up 1-0. Sneaks away with the puck after he was tangled up on the draw. Wallstrom stick handling in his own zone. Moves the puck over to Nelson. Makes a move in front. Anderson's going to hang on here for the whistle and stoppage of play.
It's a good thing he does because you haven't mentioned his name and I don't know how long. The play's been at the other end of the ice forever.
Puck possession so critical. Another face-off coming up here. Tries to get it to Svechnikov. Here they come down the right side and on the attack. Oh, he got a little sliver of it, and it stays out.
And this is a constant battle for the goalie to find the puck. This is why they work on this tracking stuff. Find the puck in one direction, lose it, and then pick it up again. He does that well to make the save.
Carolina's across the blue line. And he takes a shot. Glove save by the goalie. And we'll get the whistle after the goaltender hangs on. Aho's got it, and they'll go on the attack here in the offensive zone. Taken along the wall by Svechnikov.
Aho's dangerous, and he's got the puck now. He had the go-ahead goal earlier on.
And that's blocked away. Denied that one.
Nice move by the goalie to get out close to the shooter.
Dumps it in. The Hurricanes gain control of the puck. Carolina's got the puck in the defensive end. Here's a short pass to Teravainen. Forces the turnover in the defensive zone.
New York's played a really good game here. I like the way that they've checked. They've turned pucks over. Now they want to make something out of all this puck possession.
Carolina's got a hold of the puck. Down the right side and into the zone. Takes it to the front. Oh, a clutch save. From the right side, takes the pass. The Hurricanes get a hold of the puck along the boards. Here he is in close. Oh, and that one comes up short as he just gets enough of that one. Through center along the wing. Bailey's going to play it against the half wall. Pass broken up. Takes the feed ahead from the left side. Fires it. Oh, it stays out. He got a piece of that one. Puck scooped up by Barzell. Gaining momentum up along the side. Carolina's got the puck. Through the open ice, they're picking up steam. Moves inside. Here's a chance in front. Fantastic save. James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. 1-0 the score. Nietzsche has won the faceoff. And he sacrifices his body to block the shot. The Islanders carried along the wall. Carolina's looking to break out of their own end. Here they come. Down the left side on the attack. Quick shot. Stones him in front. The Islanders move the puck in the defensive zone. New York's going on the attack as they gain the zone. The Hurricanes get a hold of the puck. Moves it over to Kasha. Shot! Oh, he just got enough of that to keep it out. Late goings of this period. We got a 1-0 game to this point. The Hurricanes win the faceoff. To the front! Stopped by the goaltender. Looks like lineups are set and they're ready to get things back underway. Horvat's won it off the faceoff. New York's looking to break out. The Islanders pick up steam and are on the attack. He scores!
What an effort to get this game back to level. You've got to continue to work even when you trail in the game. They did that, and now they have a brand new game to play.
New York's giving themselves some positive vibes to go into the dressing room into after this period as they even things up here late.
To go into the third period even would be a victory here for them.
Carolina's on the attack. Slides the puck over. And that goes off a body. New York's got the puck along the boards. Tries to get it over to Rivera. Sent into the offensive zone. Carolina's got control of it now from their own end. Exploring options here inside the defensive zone. Second frame almost done. Well inside a minute now. Drives it to the crease. He gets a piece of it with a stick. Quick pass to Lee. Down the right wing and into the offensive zone. Carolina's got the puck in their own end. Passes on over to Slavin. There's the buzzer bringing the second period to an end. Been a great night of hockey here on EA Sports, and we've got a third period just around the corner.
Don't throw any objects on or towards the playing surface at any time during the game. The throwing of any object is grounds for immediate removal from this building.
Welcome back. James Cybulski ready to bring you all the play-by-play. It's been a fun one so far, all tied up as we are now underway here in the third period. Shot! Oh, it goes off the glove and he keeps it out. Quick pass to Teravainen. Takes a shot. Covers it up, and we'll get a stoppage in play. Still plenty of time left in this frame. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. Offense's own face-off, and he wins the draw. And he says no! Scoops up the puck here. The Hurricanes move it ahead. New York's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Looking dangerous as they move along the boards. And he slides it quickly to Barzal. Turns it aside with the glove. Anderson's going to slow things down and up for the whistle.
Oh, you got to kill the play eventually. That way everyone can get reorganized.
Moments away from the face-off. Let's get back to the action. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Just gets a piece of it to keep it out. Wow! Aho's lugging the puck. The Hurricanes move it in. Takes it to the net. Oh, what a chance, and it goes sideways. The Islanders win the draw. Grabbed along the boards by Potvin. Quick feed to Bailey. The Hurricanes gain control of it. Moves it to Svechnikov. Moves the puck along the half wall. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. The lane was plugged up and that shot's blocked. Bailey's got it across the line. Fires it on net. Oh, what a slick stop by Anderson.
That's not even a rebound anymore. It's like a cleared puck. Off the goalie and into the corner's a safe place.
Here he is. Takes the shot. There's the whistle as the puck goes out of play. We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. It's all tied up. The Islanders get a hold of the puck in their own end. Slides it over to Rivera. Sends it into the offensive zone. Carolina's gained possession along the boards. Bristling in close. How did he stop that one? The Hurricanes take it across the blue line. The Islanders have it against the wall. Sends it in on the attack. The Hurricanes take possession in the defensive end. Takes the feed. Carolina's got the puck along the wall. New York's gained possession. Gaining momentum along the wing. Drives to the paint. That's it. He scores!
Man, their bench jumped right up. Both teams know the longer you stay locked in a tie, luck starts to play a bigger part of the victory.
The Islanders have taken a critical one-goal lead here in the third. What's the strategy now?
Strategy shouldn't change now, except you have a little bit of a cushion, and it's that one-goal lead.
New York's won the draw in the neutral zone. Here's a chance. Too much traffic in the lane. He'll keep it alive and moves it ahead. And now it's to Jokinen. Gains the zone from the right side. Takes it into the slot. The Islanders gain possession. Along the side, here they come through the neutral zone. The Hurricanes scoop it up along the boards. Pacioretty's got it in the defensive end. Nice zone entry from the left. Here's a shot. Denies it in front. Picked up along the wall by Potvin.
The big challenge in a game like this is while you keep missing chances as a team, don't get frustrated. Just keep providing more, and hopefully you get the next one to go.
More than half the period has expired. The Islanders are looking to build on this one-goal lead. New York's won the draw, and they take possession here in the open ice. They put the puck into the offensive end. The Hurricanes have it now. Takes the feed from the wing. Cuts into the paint. And the lane's clogged up, blocking that. Moves the puck. Slides the pass over to Lee. There he is from the slot. Oh, what a save in front. Anderson's going to hang on to that one for a whistle.
Quickly on top of that, James. He needed a cover there.
Both teams are set. We'll drop the puck here. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Oh, and that's got the crowd buzzing after that stop. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Anderson's on top of that one for a whistle.
A little bit of traffic starting to form around the net.
The Hurricanes take possession off the faceoff and tries to make a diagonal pass to Svechnikov. On the attack, they come down the right wing. And he gets a piece of that one and denies it. Here's a shot. Oh, and another save. Moves it quickly over to Bailey. Here's a shot. Great save by Anderson. Aho's taking it from his own end. Carolina's got the puck against the boards. And now he moves it to Teravainen. Oh, tremendous stuff in the play.
He's got to work hard to find the puck through all the bodies right in front of him.
Stopped by the goaltender.
Anderson's not had many moments to breathe tonight. He's faced a heck of a lot of dangerous chances. Been busy from almost the opening drop of the puck, and he's given his team a chance to win.
Here in the late going of the frame, the Islanders are clinging to a 2-1 lead. Here's a shot. Score! And it gets right back to him, and he puts it home. Teams are ready to go, and we're about moments away from puck drop. The Hurricanes win the faceoff. And now it's over to Svechnikov. Shot! Denies him with the pad. And now he tries to get it across to Pesci. Lets it go! Scores! They came, they saw, they took advantage of the rebound and score. The Hurricanes have got a big one here in the third now.
Well, you got to be careful that the clock melts away fast on you, but now they've got a chance.
Nietzsche wins the draw. They'll go to work offensively here. Shot just gets enough to keep it out. There's another great save. Moves the puck into the attacking area. The Hurricanes gain possession along the wall. Absolutely no fear to get in front of the slap shot. Here's a shot. Oh, it stays out as he gets a piece of that one. New York's in now. Puts it on net. No room for that one to get through. Cutting to the slot. Skate save.
Certain saves are more difficult than others. This one right from the slot is turned aside.
Nice zone entry on the left side. Moves it around along the half wall. The Hurricanes have pulled the goaltender here. They've got the extra attacker out on the ice in hopes of a goal. From one point man to another. Big save in front.
He bails his guys out again. I mean, he probably could use a little help. The guy's standing right in the middle of the ice to shoot this puck, but he tracks it and makes a really good save.
Carolina's got the puck along the wall. They're picking up steam through the neutral zone. Nice feed. Shuts the goal with a great save. Tries to the sweet spot. Spectacular stop by the goaltender. How did he hang on to that?
Bang, bang play right in the low slot. The goalie's on top of it. He makes a really
This has to be a position of comfort here, Razor.
It is, James. I mean, you just inch your way along in a series. You try to put one brick on top of the other and then wall the other team off. Getting the lead is a great place to start.
Listen to how loud this place is on the heels of another Islander win.
It just comes from the floor and gets so loud and you can feel it building. I love this thing.
Another reason why we love playoff hockey. For Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cebulski. Good night.